Hi all, let us continue with the 10th standard maths arithmetic progressions. First example, an arithmetic progression having 4 terms has sum equal to 68 and the product of its middle terms is 280. Find these 4 terms. Let 4 terms of APB A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. 1. 4 terms has sum equal to 68. Therefore, A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 68 is equal to 68. Here 4A is equal to 68. It implies A is equal to 68 by 4. 17. Therefore, A is equal to 17. Also given product of its middle terms. Product of its middle terms A minus D, A plus D. Middle terms is 280. Here A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Therefore, A square minus D square is equal to 280. Here using the identity A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here A substitute A is 17 square minus D square is equal to 280. 17 square 289 minus 280 is equal to D square. 289 minus 280 9 is equal to D square, or here 3 square is equal to D square. D is equal to 3. Therefore, 4 terms are 17 minus 9, 17 minus 3, 17 plus 3, 17 plus 9, 8, 14, 20, 26. Next example, third term of an arithmetic progression is larger than the first term by 12 if the last term is 205 and the fifth term is 25. Find the number of terms of the AP. Here given third term of an arithmetic progression. Third term of an arithmetic progression is larger than the first term by 12. A1 or A plus 12. If the last term is 205, fifth term is 25, we need to find number of terms. Here given A3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D, A plus 2D is equal to A plus 12. 2D is equal to 12. It implies D is equal to 12 by 2. D is equal to 6. Here D is equal to 6. Given A5 is equal to 25. A plus 4D is equal to 25. A plus 4D substitute here D 6 is equal to 25. 25 minus 4 6 are 24. Therefore, A is 1. Let us find number of terms An. Nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1 into D is 205. A1 plus n minus 1 D is 6 is equal to 205. 1 plus 6n minus 6 is equal to 205. 6n plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 is equal to 205. 6n is equal to 205 plus 5, 210. n is equal to 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 18 35. Therefore n is equal to 35. Number of terms of the AP is 35. Next example, the number of mobile telephones manufactured by a new company increases every month by a constant number. If the company manufactures 600 mobiles in the third month, 600 mobiles, and 1600 mobiles in the seventh month, 1600. Find the total product in the first year. We need to find number of months in a year, S12. We need to find S12 is equal to how much? Total product in the first year. Given A plus 3 minus 1, 2D is equal to 600. Also A plus 6D is equal to 1600. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 implies 4D is equal to 1600 minus 600, 1000. D is equal to 1000 divided by 4. 1000 divided by 4, 250. D is 250. Now put D is equal to 250 in equation 1. We get A plus 600. A is equal to 600 minus 250 into 2, 500, 100. A is equal to 100. Let us find S12. S12, 12 by 2, 2A plus 11, D is 250. 6 are 200 plus 11 into 250, 2750. 2750 plus 200, 2950 is equal to into 6, 0, 7, 1, 17,700. Next example, 3 angles of a triangle are in an AP. If the largest angle is 75 degree, find the remaining angles. Let 3 angles of a triangle be, triangle are A minus D, A plus D. We know that A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 180 degree. From angle sum property of triangle, here it implies 3A is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 60 degree. Given largest angle is 75 degree. Therefore A plus D is 75 degree. D is equal to 75 degree minus A 60 degree. 75 degree minus 60 degree is 15 degree. Remaining angles A minus D and A. Remaining angles. Therefore remaining angles are A minus D 60 degree minus 15 degree is equal to 45 degree and 60 degree. Last example, a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. 600 sets in the third year, 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, that is in AP, find the production in the first year. First one, for production in the first year, given A3 is equal to 600, A3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D, 600, also A plus 7 minus 1, 60 is equal to 700. Equation 1, equation 2, solving equation 1 and 2, equation 2 minus equation 1 implies 6D minus 2D, 4D is equal to 100, D is equal to 100 by 4, D is equal to 25. Put D is equal to 25 in equation 1, we get A plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600, A is equal to 600 minus 50, A is equal to 550. Therefore, production of TV sets in the first year is 550. Second one, production of TV sets in the 10th year. A10 is equal to A plus 9D, 550, 9 into 25, 775. Total production of TV in the first 7 years. Yes, 7 is equal to 7 by 2, 550 plus 6 into 25. 550 into 2 plus 150 to 1100 plus 150, 1250, 2 ones are 2, 625 into 7, 4375.